Congratulations. So you have made so far. So today basic idea we will learn about Git branching, what exactly Git branch is, how to do it, how to merge it, how to take the changes, and those things we will learn. If you have missed the previous sessions, please go back and follow the session from beginning so that you will be understanding what exactly. And if you're finding these videos are more useful and handy providing the knowledge which you are looking for, please don't forget to like and subscribe. So coming back to our sessions today, so what we will do, so today we'll learn about the Git branching. So we will take small examples and we will try to do as informative as possible. So basically what Git branch is. Okay, so basically whenever we are thinking what is Git branch, why I'm talking about this Git branch and all, right? So think you are doing something, like if I'll take a simple in a real life example, like we are trying to do multiple things. Okay, so in real life what it happens, if you are losing any track, it's creating a bigger mess. To avoid that, this is the branching concept which we have is as part of GitHub. Okay, so basically in technical terms, if I'll say think of a branch as a separate line of development. The default branch in Git is called main or master. It depends up to you how the settings you are doing, whether you are making main or master is your main branch. That is also debatable, like still so many debates are going on whether main is my default branch or master is my default branch. So there are like it's up to you, instead of debating, like it's up to you what exactly your default branch you are setting up. Okay, so is in more detail if I'll try to explain. Okay, so it's basically like we are trying to develop a feature like a web application where we have done few features here. So as part of this one, maybe this is we are, I'll say, like home page we have done. Maybe some few minor developments are pending as part of this particular screen. So we are going to start development of a feature where we have to do another screen where maybe the user need to put the credential and do the login. So we can't override as we are going to do this particular change with this change. This both the changes should work simultaneously. Okay, we can't override this, or like it should be whatever changes we are doing, it should happen parallelly, right? To do this kind of concepts, right, as part of Git, okay, we are having this branching feature. This is not as this is not applicable as part of development only. This can be done in any aspects. Okay, for example, like if you are writing a novel, okay, maybe you got some new chapter idea, maybe you are working with chapter 1, so you got some more idea on the chapter 2. So how you can maintain? So by creating two separate branches, we can maintain your idea how the novel should be working. Similarly, it's a part of any kind of drawing or anything you are doing. This can be done by creating separate branches. You can work two separate ideas at same time. So that was the main motive behind this branching, and that is the main reason where we are creating the various branches, right? So as per like Git aspects, I'm going to use the Git bash to demonstrate you few of the examples. Okay, so let me quickly open the Git bash here. Git bash window has been opened. So this Git branch which we are creating, right? So it should be unique in our repository or the directory. So here I am in a Git Pro. So there is a demo directory I have created. Okay, and in this one, on the I am on the master branch. How you can get to know? So here you can able to see it's appearing master. So this is nothing but we are calling git head. So git head currently is pointing to master branch. Before creating a new branch, so how many branches are there? To view that, what I can do, simply I can execute a command called git branch. Okay. So it will list out how many branches we are having here and we are in which branch currently. So we can see these are the list of branch and currently I'm in the master branch. Okay. So as I know, I have three branches. One is master, feature, and another feature. Okay. I will create another branch called feature 3. To do that, I have to execute another command called git branch, then branch name. So git branch, then branch name. So this will be feature 3. In short form, I will say just F03, right? If I'll press enter. So this is created, but we don't see any message here. So how we can able to view the branches? Again, we'll go to the previous branch, previous command, git branch. You can see F03, then feature 01, feature 02, master. There are 4 branches available. And currently the branch which I have created unique to my repository. Correct? So this is the way we can able to create a new branch. As part of, I have created the branch, but currently still it is pointing to master. If I do changes, again it will be the changes will be get done in the master branch itself. How I can go to F03? So I have to switch my branch. How I can switch that? Again, here also there is a command called git switch, then the branch name. So F03 is my branch name. Here you can see the git head is pointing to F03. What I will do here, I will create a file. So in git bash, I'll just use echo command. I'll put a text hello from branch F03. Correct. And this file, I'll give it the this particular sentence. I'll put part of a file called F03.txt. Right. I'll press enter. Okay. We have created a file, but whether this file is already checked into this branch and not, how we can see? So if you have missed my previous videos, you can go back and check the previous video where I have explained all the basic commands, git starters, and how to commit those things. By the way, we are going to see it here. So basically what we will do, we will execute the git starters command. Okay, as part of this one, we can see we have added a file called f03.txt, but this is not tracked. To add that file to a track change, what we have to do, we have to execute git add command. So git add, then the file name f03.txt. Okay, so this is already added as part of track change. How you can see that particular this file has been added to track change or not? It's again back to the same command called git status. So here you can see this file, particular file git like f03txt has been tracked. How we can commit this change to git? So basically I will say git commit, then hyphen m. So hyphen m basically nothing but the text which we are, hyphen m is allowing to put a label for this particular change set. So I will say F03 file has created, right? I'll press enter. This particular file has been already pushed into F03. How I can check? Same, I'll execute git status. So here there are no working changes. Right? The file which I have created, this is already part of F03. So to quick check, I will do execute ls, so I can see F03 file is there. So I will switch git switch to my master branch. Right? So if oh, oops, my mistake. The switch command I just did a spelling mistake. Let me correct it. Git switch, then master. Now our head is pointing to the master. If I'll do ls here, that F03 file is not available. How we can do? So we have to merge our F03 into master. How we can merge? Okay. So first we have to go to our destination branch. So currently we have already switched to master. So master is our destination branch. So F03 is our source branch. So there is a command called git merge, then whichever would be the source branch, we can put it. But before executing, make sure you are in the destination branch. So master is my destination branch. So what I will do, git merge F03. F03 is my source branch. So I'm just executing git merge my source branch, right? I'm pressing enter. So you can see as part of first forward. So we will look in later sessions what is first forward. So other merging techniques in later stages. If I do ls now, here we go. We have the F03 file. We saw here how to create a separate feature branch, do a separate changes, how to merge. In later stages, we will see the complex structures like what kind of merging strategies are there. Like here we saw first forward. Similarly, other strategies are there. We will see them. And as always, like if while merging, if simultaneously if any file got changed, how to resolve the merge conflicts. In later stages, we will see them. So if think the F03 branch which we had created, our work is done. We don't need the branch anymore. What we can do, we can simply type another command called git branch hyphen d. Hyphen d it allows to delete a branch which is already work is got over. Or if you are not done also, if you are doing this command on a working branch also, it will delete that branch. Okay. So basically what I will do, get branch hyphen d, then I will type F03, press enter. So deleted branch F03. Okay. Now if I'll see what, if I'll list out the branches by using the git branch command, so F03 has been deleted. Great job. You have learned how to create, switch, and merge branches in Git. In the next video, we will cover rebashing or working with remote repositories and as well as other Git features. Thank you. Like, subscribe so that you don't miss the next videos upcoming. Thank you.